Ladies, it's Travis here from Melbourne Human Hair Extensions. So you're in the market for hair extensions, and I bet you've done lots of research and still a little confused? Well, look no further. Our Weft Hair Extension System is the safest way to add volume and length without inflicting damage to your natural hair. It is also the simplest in terms of ongoing maintenance. Our revolutionary Microbead Application Technique removes the need for the use of any heat, glue or weaving. The silicone coating inside the microbead, once closed, ensures there is no metal rubbing against your natural hair. Our high quality 100% Remy European hair will leave you with long, silky and sleek hair. A full head of Weft hair extensions is quick to apply, less than 1 hour. They are also removed in minutes. Our Weft hair extensions are so incredibly lightweight that you will forget you are wearing hair extensions. Did I mention we also stock a huge variety of temporary hair extensions? I invite you to book in for a complimentary consultation with me and discover the world of Weft hair extensions. I look forward to meeting you and answering all of your hair extension inquiries.